Hey guys, this is another short video. This is just to tell how to convert your smartphone, or if you have any old Android smartphone, how to convert them into a makeshift DAP. So the dongles in the recent days have gotten really good, as to they are giving really good performance. Especially you have something like the Hibi FC6, they are really good. You do not need an expensive DAP. So how to convert your old smartphone or any cheap smartphone into a DAP? So this is my old smartphone, and this is how I have converted into a DAC. So as you can see, let me focus. So this is an 180-degree USB-C connector. So as you can see, it goes inside this port, and then it has this 180-degree 180-degree conversion, and to that a cable is connected, and that cable is connected to the Hibi FC6. Now what I have done is a small modification. I've put a Velcro tape over here and a Velcro tape on the Hibi FC6. So with that way I can just keep it like that, and whenever I want I can use the smartphone if I so need to, or I can when I need to use the DAC, I can just place the Hibi FC6 like this and use it as a DAC, and it works really well. You can pocket it easily without any issues. You can also hold it easily, and this is the Truth or Nova for testing. You can also put it like a connect it like as it is your headphone jack from your smartphone, and this also leaves me access to the volume buttons on the side. If I do need to change the volumes, I can use the volume buttons on the side. So depending on the layout of your dongle and where the volume button is placed, you can either put the Velcro tape over here or on the right hand side. Now for some dongles it won't work like this. For example, if you have something like the Yuki, you cannot use this, because for Yuki the volume button is on the back side. You have to reverse it and then stick the Velcro tape on the glass side of the Yuki. Let me show this connector so that you get an idea as to what I'm talking about. Just a minute. So you see this is the USB-C connector. This is the USB-C connector. So this part goes inside your phone, and this part wherein you connect the cable. Now it can work with any dongle DAC, but you have to just check as to what it is. This is what I selected, 240 watts 40 gigabits, because this is USB-C 3.1. With that I do have the safety of it working with most dongles, because some dongle do require a bit more power, so that time this will work with most dongles. You can also use a USB 3.0. That will work too. I have used it, but this is a bit better quality, and I paid around $7 to $8. You can even find it cheaper in AliExpress. Thanks for stopping by. You know the deal. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.